What's up, my fabulous love bug goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. Your requested recipe is here, boo. How to make honey mustard fried chicken breast in your kitchen. Wow, fast, easy, and simple. Just like you requested, you know. These chicken breasts is so crunchy and full of flavor on the outside, yet it's soft and moist and juicy and succulent all up on the inside. Now, make sure to subscribe, you know, and turn on your post notification settings to be reminded every time your girl upload brand new videos. Let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother.
Okay, good. Let's get our recipe on the table for the holiday, right? They are coming, right? They are coming. Now I have my chicken breast right here that has already been nicely washed with salt, vinegar, and lemon juice. Now I'm using skinless chicken breast for the recipe. However, if you want to use skin on, you could go ahead and do so. I'm choosing to use skinless, and I'm going to remove all the extra added little fat that might be laying around on the chicken breast, because I am deep frying these breasts, and if I leave all that extra fat on, it's going to make my thing take much longer to fry and my other ingredients to stick. So I remove all of it. Now after I'm done do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get a clean paper towel or paper napkin, whatever you want to use, and just suck up the excess water that is on the chicken breast. You want to go ahead and do that, goodie, to make things nice, easy, and simple, right? Simple what I talk about. Now later on I went in when I done do that and get some parchment paper, because we are going to try to attempt to make this chicken breast be nice and tender when you fry it. So what I did, I went in with my rolling pin. You can use a hammer if you want a hammer the daylights out of it, but I went in with my rolling pin and roll and bam and slam on that chicken breast to make sure so it's nice and flat and smooth the way I want it to be, because I want my chicken, when I put my season on there, I want it to go all up in that chicken. So yeah, just make sure you get it nice and thin, as thin as you possibly could get it. If you have those extra thick chicken breasts, go ahead and cut it into 2 equal parts and then do the same process. As you can see here, the thinness is all I want the thinness to be. Now I went in with some salt, right, to give it flavor, of course, but not too much, okay, girl, I run from the whole salt business. Then I went in with some black pepper, of course. So you're going to put your salt and your black pepper, and I'm going to make this delicate seasoning. I added some garlic and onion powder onto my chicken breast. Then I went in with some chicken seasoning and paprika. Right, I'm not going to be over seasoning my breast because we're going to add season to the other ingredients. So we just go ahead and make this thing recto. Now we go ahead and flip it on the other side, and you are in fact going to repeat the same step where you do right. So in step number 1, right? It's simple, right? Simple thing, right? That's all simple thing, but remember, fast, easy, and simple to follow. Easy recipe. Anybody can do this, even a baby. Now, after I got done putting my seasoning on, I let it sit and hang out and marinate for at least 30 minutes. That's all I need, because me about to turn up this kitchen and really mad fast. Now, moving along, in another container, I added 1 extra large egg. If you're using medium egg, use 2. Then I went in with some heavy whipping cream, and I think I used about half a cup here. I did season it, so I went in with some onion powder and garlic powder. I did put some chicken season inside of that mix because we want it to have a flavor as well, right? Now to that, I added my honey mustard, because we are making honey mustard fried chicken breasts. So we go ahead and combine all that together, give it a good mix, so that way you get your egg well saturated into the heavy whipping cream. Moving right along, I have a container there with just some regular old-fashioned cornflakes, maybe about 3 cups of that. So I went in with my clean on. We're saying I'm going in a clean kitchen. You want to go ahead and give it a nice little squeeze right there, but don't squeeze the thing till it becomes invisible. No, we don't want to do that. Just give it a nice little squeeze and just like that, right? Simple something, right? Just like so. Then after I do that, I add my breadcrumbs, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and then I added a half cup of all-purpose flour to the mix. After I add my half cup of all-purpose flour, I went in with half cup of corn starch, right? Because we want this chicken breast to be so crispy, Lord, it can't bust anybody head when you're done fried. Now give it a good mix to get everything all together. After you do that, you put some onion powder and garlic powder because we want that to have flavor as the chicken does. So we go in and we had that, we add some black pepper to it, and I did go in with some all-purpose seasoning, and you could use any kind of seasoning you want to use besides all-purpose seasoning. I went in with some paprika to give that flour mix color to the chicken once it hit the aisle. Yes, but then give it a good toss and a good mix and set it aside. Now your grease has to be at least 350 degrees in heat. If it's not, then you're going to have a flan fried chicken. We don't want to do that. We want the chicken breast to be nice and crispy and golden brown and filled with flavor. Now what I did here, I went in and dabbled that chicken breast into the egg mixture gentle and slowly like so, and kind of shake off a little bit of that extra liquid from off of it, and then I placed it inside of the cornflakes mix like so, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, it doesn't matter as long as you get that flour mix, that cornflakes mix squeezed up into that chicken breast, right? Because you want to make sure that the cornflakes is sticking on the chicken. You could also go back and repeat the step by dabble it back into the egg wash, because it is even going to make it even more crispier. But right here I decided to do 1, but of course you can do 2, right? Crispier the better, but 1 was good enough for me, just like so. And as you can see at a closer glance, the cornflakes is well sucked up into the chicken and it is perfect. Just give it a nice help by tapping it all up in there. Now moving right along, you go ahead and you place that chicken into your grease that is 350 degrees. After halfway through, it is going to look like that. Go ahead and place it on the other side back into the grease. When you are all done, you could see the cornflakes. See the cornflakes right there? That cornflakes is all fried and sucked up into the chicken perfectly. That's what I mean by give it a help to tuck it into the chicken. That is perfectly done. It is nice, it is crispy, it's beautiful on the outside, but it's soft and succulent and tender on the inside. And when I was done frying all of the chicken breast, that is what I had, and I set it aside, let it go and chill on some paper towel. Now in that pot, I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you like, but the girl I got easy pan salt from her there. Now I added some garlic, and I think I used about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and then I had my maple syrup to it. And you could even use honey, but maple syrup is preferred for this recipe. Now to that I added my honey mustard to the mix, and again all the amount for the recipe will be listed down in the description box, so check it out. Check it out down there. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder and some onion powder to it to kick it up a notch and give it some more flavor, because flavor make everything taste better in your kitchen. Now I went in with my EVO, extra virgin olive oil, and I did add some of that just to loosen up and to bring everything all together, make it come nice and friendly and juicy and warm, kind and tender, right? Yes. So that was looking good. I gave it about another 1 minute and just make it start to bubble. And after it bubbled, I saw the thing set and it was ready to go on my chicken like so. Yeah. So I got it all up on that chicken, and make sure that you get it on there. Yes, because you want to be assured when you bite in every piece of that chicken, you are tasting that good sauce. Yes, that honey mustard sauce. That is a trick to this dish. Just go ahead and make it pretty with some parsley, some fresh parsley, dried parsley, a little bit of sesame seeds all up on that thing, honey. And I was done. All done with the thing. Yes, boy, see that? Yes, the thing was not just looking just wonderful, but the thing was tasting even better. It was so good. It was so good, and it's perfect for the holiday. Now, the outer part is so crispy and filled with flavor, crunchy, munchy. And the inside is so soft, and the breast is so beautifully white and gorge. Now, be sure that you have subscribed to the channel and make sure that those notification settings are on. Go ahead and check out your girl other channel, Life as Juliana. Now, the link for the channel will be listed down below, right? Now, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!